Hello, dear parents and my dear children. Hope you all are fine at your place. Here, I'll be explaining in this video how your EVS online half-yearly exam will be conducted. Written exam will be of 80 marks. It will be conducted in two phases. First phase from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and on the same day the second phase will be conducted after half an hour break. That will be 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. First phase, it will be of 50 marks, Google form MCQ test. It will have 1 mark questions and 2 marks questions. 1 mark 30 questions will be there, it means 30 marks, and 2 marks 10 questions will be there, it means 20 marks. 30 plus 20 will add to 50 marks. After finishing your paper, children, you have to submit, and then I can see your result on the spreadsheet. Take break then for half an hour, rest properly, take rest, and then have something and be ready for the next round of the test on the same day. 9:30 I'll be sending you the question paper. This paper you have to solve in your notebook. Children, do it honestly and try to do well. This question paper will be of 30 marks. 30 marks pen paper test. It will be divided into two parts. 20 marks that will have question answers, definitions, differences, etc. And 10 marks will be divided into two parts again, diagram and activity. Activity might be listing activity, sorting activity, puzzle, jumbled words. This type of activity will be there. So children, I hope you must have understood very well, and same for the parents. Again I am repeating, 50 marks plus 30 marks will add up to 80 marks, and paper will be in two phases on the same day. First Google form test and second pen paper test. Children, revise well. If any confusion is there, any doubt is there, you can ask your teacher anytime after the class. Practice making drawings and diagrams, and what all chapters are coming you are well aware. Lesson number 1, lesson number 2, lesson number 5, lesson number 7, lesson number 11 and lesson number 12. Revise well, and children, no need to worry, we all are with you. Thank you. Bye bye. Enjoy. Stay home. Stay safe.